Hello and welcome. You're watching Beyond World is One. My name is Mohammed Saleh, and let's start this broadcast by taking a quick look as to what is making headlines at this hour. Volodymyr Zelensky and his wife visit Ukraine's biggest children's hospital in Kiev. A lethal strike in the hospital, remember, had killed 2 people and injured dozens of others on the 8th of July. The first of the 3 Russian vessels arrive in Havana. Training ship Smolny fires a gun salute on arrival, marking the second visit for the Russian naval vessels to Cuba since the month of June. The Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orban asserts that Ukraine will never become a member of the European Union or the NATO military alliance. He also calls the West irrational and forecasts a global power shift towards Asia and Russia. At least 30 Palestinians have reportedly been massacred in yet another Israeli bombing that hit a school in central Gaza. The displaced Palestinians were reportedly taking refuge at the Khadija Benevolent Girls' School in Deir al-Balah when Israel bombed this girls' school. Russia claims the capture of another village in eastern Ukraine's Donetsk region amidst heavy fighting. Moscow's forces are reported to be advancing towards the city of Pokrovsk in the region. The Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni arrives in Beijing. This is her first visit to China since taking office 2 years ago, and it will include meetings with President Xi Jinping and Premier Li Qiang. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.